Hello viewers. Flipkart Big Billion Days sale will start on 26th of September for the Plus member and on 27th of September for the regular customers. Flipkart has not yet revealed any price of any tablet or smartphone, but Oneplus Pad is being sold at 22,999 at Flipkart. So a lot of users want to know whether they should buy Oneplus Pad right now or they should wait for the Big Billion Days sale. If you don't want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE or S9 FE Plus or iPad 10th generation, in that case you may consider Oneplus Pad, which is a very good tablet. It has a very big display, good color reproduction, Dimensity 9000 processor, bigger battery, and also it has pen support, though you have to buy the pen separately. But if you ask me whether you should buy this tablet right now, I will suggest you to wait for few days because nobody knows what will be the price of Oneplus Pad during Big Billion Days sale. And I think the price will definitely go down during Big Billion Days sale, so it will be a wise decision if you wait for the sale when you can buy this tablet well under 20,000 rupees. During Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale, you have to keep ready HDFC credit card, only then you can avail the benefit of extra discounts. But if you don't have HDFC credit card, you can use debit card also. And if you don't have debit card too, in that case you may manage a card from your friend or family members to get the benefit. In one of my videos, I have speculated the price of Poco Pad and it will be available at 18,000 rupees, and Flipkart has actually revealed the price that it will be available under 18,000 rupees. So I speculated it correctly. You can also buy Poco Pad, but it has some battery issues. If you are a heavy user, in that case you might face battery problem in this tablet. Do let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you want to buy during Flipkart Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.